Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using GetCreditScore. GetCreditScore, a comprehensive review of the credit score tool. In this video, we'll delve into GetCreditScore, a valuable tool for managing your credit. You can find links to this tool in the description below, so feel free to explore them for additional information. I'll cover the key features, benefits, and target audience to give you a thorough understanding of what GetCreditScore offers. GetCreditScore is a free and user-friendly credit score tool that provides valuable insights into your credit health. Powered by Experian, one of the leading credit reporting agencies, the tool ensures the accuracy and reliability of the data you receive. It's designed for individuals who want to monitor their credit score, understand the factors that influence it, and ultimately, make well-informed financial decisions. The core feature of GetCreditScore is providing your Experian credit score for free. It goes further by offering detailed explanations of the factors affecting your score, including payment history, credit inquiries, and credit utilization. This comprehensive breakdown empowers you to pinpoint areas for improvement. Furthermore, the platform updates your credit score monthly, allowing you to track your progress over time. A standout feature of GetCreditScore is its educational focus. The platform offers a wealth of resources and practical tips to help you boost your credit health. From guidance on managing debt and reducing credit utilization to understanding the impact of credit inquiries, the tool equips you with actionable advice tailored to your specific financial situation. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Another valuable benefit is the option to compare various financial products like loans, credit cards, and mortgages. These recommendations are tailored to your credit profile, ensuring you find options that align with your eligibility and individual needs. GetCreditScore is perfect for anyone looking for a straightforward way to access and monitor their credit score. Whether you're building your credit, recovering from past financial difficulties, or simply want to stay informed, this tool offers valuable insights to keep you on the right financial path. In conclusion, GetCreditScore is an excellent and user-friendly credit monitoring tool for individuals who are serious about managing their financial well-being. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to learn more and start using GetCreditScore today.